All the letters we know, we can read, we
Ja,
can
man.
show all the stuff with
Ja, man.
our friends. All the letters can sing, all the letters can dance, they can smile and laugh, my friend. A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H, I, J, K. That's the way it begins, it's enough for today. And tomorrow will come L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, R for me and for you. All the rest is so easy, just take W, X, Y, Z, follow. Hey, all the letters we know, we can read, we can show all the stuff with our friends. All the letters can sing, all the letters can dance, they can smile and laugh, my friend.